Hello student, after mean and median we will start any other topic that will be your last topic of this statics chapter, which is mode. Okay, for the calculation of mode, at first we will know what is the formula of mode, what symbols are used in formula, and from where we will get the value of that symbols. Okay, formula for mode is x plus h multiplied f0 minus f minus 1 and divided by 2 f0 minus f minus 1 minus this f plus 1. Okay, now I will explain where we will find all these symbols. Okay, at first you will have to see very carefully frequency of the data. In this frequency you will have to see where is maximum frequency, for which class interval is maximum frequency. You can see here for the class interval 60 to 80 is maximum frequency. There are not any class interval whose frequency is more than this 12. So this is our f0, and before this f0 you will write just as f minus 1, and after it this become f plus 1. And again in this f0 you will have to see what is the class interval. Class interval is 60 to 80. So lower limit of the class interval, that means first digit will be your what? X. This is your x. Now write all the data. f0 is equal to 12 and f minus 1 is equal to 10, f plus 1 is equal to 6, and x is equal to how much? 60. And now what is left here? H. Also we will find the value of h. For h you can subtract any class interval from upper limit to lower limit. You can separate here 20 minus 0, you will get 20, 40 minus 20, you will get 20. Then you can learn here also, you will remember that you will have to subtract here lower limit from upper limit from the corresponding frequency, maximum frequency. Okay, that means class length will be 80. This 80 minus this 60. You will get here how much? 20. Okay. Now apply the formula for the mode. Formula of mode is equal to what? You can see x plus h and f0 minus f minus 1 and divided by 2 f0 minus f minus 1 minus f this plus 1. Okay, now put all the value of x, h, f0, f minus 1 here. Okay, now I am putting the value of x is how much? Value of x is 60 plus value of h is 20, and f0 is 12 minus f minus 1 is 10, right here 10. Okay, and divided by 2 multiplied f0. 2 multiplied f0 is 12. You can see here f0 is 12 minus f minus 1. F minus 1 is 10, right here 10, minus f plus 1 minus f plus 1. F plus 1 is how much? 6, right here 6. And now solve this expression. 60 plus this 20 multiplied 2 and divided by how much? This become 24 minus this 16 is equal to, this becomes 60 plus this 20 multiplied 2 divided by 24 minus 16 is equal to how much? 8. Okay, this become 60 plus this 2 4s are cancel out and 4 5s are cancel. That means here left 5 1s are this 5. That means answer will be 60 plus 5, that means 65. This is our mode. Okay, in this way you can solve any problem that will come in your examination. Okay, thank you.